Harley Quinn figure in the mail. We're going to go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. Jeez. There we go. Okay. Okay, looks like we just got two pieces and the mallet. Bubble wrap. Here you go.
Bubble wrap. Okay, so you get a side and I get a side. You pop here and I pop here.
Okay, so it doesn't exactly fit. You gotta adjust it, but it works. And this way. Oh my, that's a tight fit. Let's try this way. Okay. Well, it's not the same, but I can't get it in here. Why can't I get it in? Oh, okay. It's supposed to be all the way through there. Let's try the other way again. Wow. Really? Okay. Okay, I see you. I see you. Alright, I get it. I thought I broke it, but it's not broken. It just makes it easier. Oh no! Okay.
Whoa, it's
not going back in.
Here, pop. Wait,
there we go.
Tear it in half.
Okay. She's done. Let's take a closer look, shall we? Here's Harley Quinn in all her glory with the flash on so you can get up close and personal. Hopefully we can focus on these details like the hair, the tattoos. Check this out. Look at this mallet. Yes. Now the mallet is very flimsy. If there's one thing I'm disappointed with this one, it's the mallet. Not very impressed with that. A little silver peep there for her belt. Let's spin her around. Oh, love the hair. I like the tattoo details. The rings. Yes. Now, she took me over a month to receive from ECMS from Toreba. I'm not disappointed except for with that mallet. My mallet is just ridiculously cheap. It is back together. You can see that. So that did make it easier to fit in the proper way. And she's going to go right next to my other Harley Quinn. So if you like this video, please remember to give me a like and subscribe. Please make sure that you turn it on so you can get notifications that we post new videos. We don't post all the time. I just kind of post when I get something in the mail or when I feel like it. And the Adventure family will see you next time. Bye!